Hello and welcome back to Mechanical High. I'm Robbie, Josh is on the way, and today we have the wheels finally for the Mercedes E55 AMG. Let's get right into it. So the car is already up on jack stands. We actually just finished wrapping the car, and now we still gotta put some things back together, so make sure you go check out that wrap video. But the wheels are off, the old wheels just chilling over here. Oh yeah, also the garage is a disaster because I'm in the process of moving. But the car is looking good. It needs the final touch, which are these guys. So we have the three-piece wheels right here, which we will unbox in a second, but we also have the meats for them. These are Hankook Ventus V12s, 255s in the front, or maybe 265s. No, yeah, 255s in the front, 285 in the rear, to go along with the 9.5 wide up front and the 10.5 wide out back. Let's just go ahead and unbox the wheels, because I know y'all have been waiting for a long time. All right, so these wheels are from Three Piece USA, and they are Heritage Ebisu Directional wheels. All right, this. Alright guys, so the wheels are now actually on the car, and I don't know if you can see it behind me, but holy crap, they look freaking amazing. Thank you to Josh for helping me to get all the tires mounted and balanced and everything, and hauling me around. But I'm not going to show you the wheels, well, the car on the ground just yet. You're going to have to wait till next week or the week after, where we release the built in 10 minutes video on this car to see the final big reveal. But other than that, thank you all so much for watching. Let's dive right into these wheels real quick. So up front, starting off with the actual wheel itself, this is a Heritage Ebisu directional three-piece wheel. I opted for the gloss black faces with the chrome outerwear and the chrome lip, and I love this color combination, especially against the satin black of the car. As far as tires, we have a Hankook Ventus V12 Evo 2. It is a 255 tire with a 35 aspect ratio, and they fit freaking phenomenally. Oh, it's so good. All right, let's go ahead and move to the back, where we have, oh, stepping on stuff. The back where we have a 10.5, well, a 19 by 10.5 plus 40 offset wheel with a 285 35 tire. And frankly, I might have to take out this, the fender liners in the back, because we do have just a hair of rubbing. I know you can probably hear that. But other than that, I mean, it looks so freaking good. I'm quite happy with how it looks. I'll give you all just a little sneak peek of how it looks. Oof, all right, cool. So that's pretty much going to be the end of this video. Y'all are going to have to wait till the final reveal, which is going to be in the built in 10 minutes video. I am extremely happy with how this car has turned out. Thank you all so much for watching, and thank you for following this build. Make sure to hit the subscribe button if you have not already, because we have a few more builds coming your way, including concluding our 335i, which the motor is being rebuilt right now. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. Comment down below, what is your favorite part about this car? And when it comes to building your car, make sure to build it. Don't buy it. We'll see you in the next week.